Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video I'm going to go through 4 different ways to multiply difference of square problems. Let's get to problem 1 and look at the first method. So in problem 1 we have 7x minus 1 times here, let me color code these, 7x plus 1. So what we're going to do for method 1 is use a Punnett square. So I'm going to draw out this square here. And this is an organizational method that a lot of students like. And I'm going to put 7x minus 1 on one of the sides. Doesn't matter which one. I could have it down like this and have the other one up like this. And then on the other one, I'm going to put 7x plus 1. And then we're going to multiply the terms where they meet up in the particular squares here. So 7x times 7x is going to give me 49x squared. 7x times negative 1 is minus 7x. 7x times positive 1 is positive 7x. And then 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Now you'll notice here, and this will happen in the difference of square problems as we go through, is when I add 7x and negative 7x, those will add to 0, so they cancel each other out. So we can just cross these out. And our solution to this one becomes 49x squared minus 1. All right, in our next one, we're going to use a different strategy called FOIL. And FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. And it refers to the order of terms in the binomials and how we multiply them together. So we start off by multiplying the first term in each binomial. So in this case, 3x times 3x. That's going to give us 9x squared. And then we do the outer terms, so 3x times negative 2y. And in this case, that's a negative 6xy. And then we do the inner terms. So we do 2y times 3x in this case. That's going to be a positive 6xy. And then we do the last term. So 2y times negative 2y, that's going to be a minus 4 or negative 4y squared. Okay, again, the middle, the outer and the inner terms here, they cancel out, so we cancel these out, and we're left with 9x squared minus 4y squared as our solution here. Okay, let's look at problem 3 in the third method. So the third method I'm going to show you is called double distribution. So in double distribution, we'll break the terms apart in the first parentheses and multiply them times the entire second parentheses. So I'm going to take 4x squared and multiply it here times what's in the second parentheses. So 4x squared plus xy. And then we have plus, I'm going to do plus negative xy. So plus negative xy, which is the same as minus xy, times 4x squared plus xy. Okay, so now we just distribute. So 4x squared times 4x squared is 16x to the fourth. 4x squared times plus xy is going to be a plus 4x cubed y. Negative xy times 4x squared is going to be plus a negative 4x cubed y. And then negative xy times positive xy is going to be plus a negative x squared y squared. Okay, so we'll see here that, again, the 4x cubed y and the negative 4x cubed y will cancel each other out. And so we're going to be left with 16 x to the fourth minus x squared y squared. Okay. So on to the fourth method. Now you may have noticed in all these different methods that the outer and inner terms, that the middle parts cancel each other out. So the fourth method is to just take the first term here and square it. So in this case, that would be 9x to the sixth power. And then have a minus in between, and then square the second one. So that's going to be y to the fourth. And for every difference of square problem, that's going to work out. That method is actually the fastest of all. So if you remember that, that's the quickest. If not, I prefer the Punnett square method. A lot of my students like that one. Some students like FOIL, some like double distribution, but most seem to like the Punnett square. Anyways, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Also, if you'd like to support the channel in another way, I'll leave a link to my Teacher Pay Teachers store and any worksheets associated with this video in the description, as well as I'll leave a link to my website in the description. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.